Of class 8. This is the third video of your chapter 3 exponent and powers. I hope all of you have gone through the earlier videos and this is the last one. So welcome to the class. If you have done the earlier one, it is easy to understand because it is concluding a part of the chapter. Exercise questions we'll discuss now. Earlier class video I gave you some question to answer, however no solution given. Now with the solution, some of this given to you for understanding, some what you can do yourself is left to you to work out yourself. Question 1. Simplify and express as rational number. Question you can say 4 by 9 to the power minus 2 into 3 by 2 to the power minus 3. Second bit 3 by 8 to the power minus 3 divided by 3 by 16 to the power minus 3. Similarly, question 2, simplify and express the positive exponents. First bit 3 by 4 to the power minus 1 into 4 by 15 to the power minus 1. Second bit 6 to the power minus 1 plus 8 to the power minus 1 bracket inverse or minus 1 plus 3 to the power minus 1 plus 2 to the power minus 1 bracket minus 1. Question 3, find the value of x. First bit, no, this is only one bit given by mistake. First bit, it is only minus 3 by 5 to the power minus 6 is equal to minus 3 by 5 to the power minus 4 into minus 5 by 3 to the power 2x. Fourth bit, fourth question, if x by y is equal to minus 1 by 3 to the power minus 3 divided by 2 by 3 to the power minus 4, find the value of first bit x by y to the power minus 3, second bit x by y plus y by x to the power minus 1, third bit x by y to the power minus 3x by minus 3x by 16y. Let us see the answers. Are you ready to go to the answer? Okay. So we have the solution of first question, that first question second bit. First you try yourselves. First question second bit. 3 by 8 to the power minus 3 divided by 3 by 16 to the power minus 3. Write in division form, fraction form. 3 by 8 to the power minus 3 by 3 by 16 to the power minus 3. Now both are having same power, bring the power to common. So 3 by 8 by 3 by 16 to the power minus 3. Then simplify this fraction. 3 by 8 into 16 by 3 whole to the power minus 3. Cancel wherever necessary. So we'll find out inside there only 2. 2 to the power minus 3. That is equal to 1 by 2 to the power 3 or equal to 1 by 8. Clear? Next bit, question 2 also, second bit worked out. First one is left to you. You try yourself. It is given as given in the question, 6 inverse plus 8 inverse whole inverse plus 3 inverse plus 2 inverse bracket whole inverse. Inverse you can read as also minus 1. So 6 to the power minus 1 plus 8 to the power minus 1 whole minus 1 plus 3 to the power minus 1 plus 2 to the power minus 1 whole minus 1. So power minus 1, that you write in terms of 6 to the power minus 1 is 1 by 6. Similarly, this is 1 by 8. 1 plus 3 inverse is 1 by 3. 2 or 2 to the power minus 1 is 1 by 2. And minus 1 kept as it is outside. Take out LCM inside the bracket. So LCM is 24 in first part. So divide 6 divided by 24, you are getting 4. 8 divided by 24 getting 3, so 4 plus 3 by 24 whole to the power minus 1. Similarly, this one LCM is 6, so therefore 3 divided, so 2 divided 3, therefore 2 plus 3 by 6 whole to the power minus 1. Clear? So first part is 7 by 24 to the power minus 1. Second part is 5 by 6 to the power minus 1. Simplify. First one is 24 by 7 second one is 6 by 5. As you know, reciprocal of rational number is it is the a by b to the power minus 1 is equal to b by a. So if you take LCM again, we are getting 35 LCM. So 120 plus 42 is equal to 162 by 35. Next question. Question 3 is left to you, as you can do this one. So do yourself. It is question 4 now. X by y is equal to minus 1 by 3 to the power minus 3 divided by 2 by 3 to the power minus 4. Find the value of x by y to the power minus 3. Second bit by x by y plus y by x to the power minus 1. Third bit x by y to the power minus 3x by 16y. Let us see. First to simplify to x by y to get a simpler value. It is given minus 1 by 3 to the power minus 3 divided by 2 by 3 to the power minus 4. So that if we expand, since minus 3 power is an odd number, so therefore minus will come out. It becomes 1 by 3 to the power minus 3 divided by 2 by 3. You can write 2 into 1 by 3. Therefore split the power. So 2 to the power minus 4 into 1 by 3 to the power minus 4. Okay. Now bring down. Next step. Minus the outside. So 1 minus 1 by 3 to the power minus 3. And this one division now change to by. So 2 to the power by minus 2 to the power 2 to the power minus 4 into 1 by 3 to the power minus 4. So bring up 1 by 3 to the power minus 4 to up. So it will be minus 1 by 3 minus 3 minus minus 4 by which law? Quotient law. And bring 2 to the power minus 4 to up. So it becomes 2 to the power minus of minus 4. Which law this one? It is power law. Or reciprocal power, no, it is reciprocal of the exponents. So first part you got minus 1 by 3 to the power minus 3 plus 4. Second part 2 to the power 4. So 2 to the power 4 is 16. And this is minus 3 plus 4 become 1. So 1 by 3 to the power 1, that is equal to minus 16 into 1 by 3 is equal to minus 16 by 3. So x by y is equal to minus 16 by 3. Now let us solve first bit. X by y to the power minus 3. So that is x by y, since x by y is equal to minus 16 by 3. So place the value of x by y. So minus 16 by 3 to the power minus 3. Minus 3 power you can change to plus by taking the reciprocal again. So minus 3 by 16 to the power 3. That is equal to minus 27. 16 cube is 4096. Therefore minus 27 by 4096. Second bit, x by y plus y by x to the power minus 1. So this is whole power minus 1. Since x by y is equal to minus 16 by 3, therefore y by x will become minus 3 by 16. So write like that, minus 16 by 3 plus minus 3 by 16 whole bracket minus 1. So LCM is 16, 3 is 48. So minus 16 by 3. So minus 16 into 16 become 256 plus 3 into 3 9. So therefore minus 256 minus 9 by 48 whole to the power minus 1. That is minus 265 by 48 to the power minus 1. Since power is 1, so therefore minus comes out. 265 by 48 to the power minus 1. And by the reciprocal rule of exponent, it becomes minus 48 by 265. So this is your second answer. Third answer, x by y to the power minus 3x by 16y. So minus 3x by 16y, you write like that as written, 3 by 16 into x by y, and put the value x by y is equal to 16 minus 16 by 3. So place inside first minus 16 by 3. Then right upper part is minus 3 by 16 into x by y, like that. Then minus 16 by 3 into minus 3 by 16 into the value of x by y, put there minus 16 by 3. So that minus 3 by 16 into minus 16 by 3, they cancel each other and minus into minus become plus. So plus 1 or 1. So minus 16 by 3 power 1. You got the value of x by y to the power minus 3x by 16y is equal to minus 16 by 3. Clear? Dear children, the video is uploaded for you for your better understanding.